circle crunches. There's two ways I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's just lean back into your semi-supine position. So number one, I call this the modification. With both arms extended in the front, palms on top of each other, you're going to reach left off the chest and drawing a circle with your arm extended. Okay, so pressing your palms in a circular motion. Okay, so you're going to do that one side and then you'll switch the other side. All right, every exhale is a circle. So other option here, I'm going to keep both arms supported behind the head. Gently tuck the chin, push down through your lower spine to lift off. And then you're going to be drawing your circle through the spine. This direction, having your elbows behind your ears the whole time. Again, switching direction, halfway. And that is your circle crunches.